is sponsored by Stratford University.
All right, now with the warmer weather right here, now is the time to start preparing those spring and summer inspired dishes. Chef Eric Yeager is from Stratford University. He's joining us, and as we're taking a tight shot of the fish that is now bubbling in the pan. So, what kind of fish were we working with?
It's a Chilean sea bass, and we got a nice little loin. I cut it into, kind of a rectangle segment, cut some nice medallions out of it so it fit on that nice little plate there. It's maybe an appetizer or a starter. You could turn it into an entree, but today to start the show is going to be our sauce.
Okay, so the sauce. So that's just kind of like, that's just something to put the sauce on.
It's fluff.
All right, that's the fluff. Okay, so I see a blender. We're going to whip up some sauce. What are we throwing in here?
This one's quick and easy. You go for it right there. A little cantaloupe. Perfect. And some fresh squeezed orange juice. And some
about
zest.
a third of a cantaloupe right there? Maybe a quarter of a cantaloupe?
Well, here's the rest of it, so you can see
okay, there we go.
That's perfect. You got about a cup of orange juice, a little champagne. And this is a mimosa sauce, so we're doing a classic mimosa with a little cantaloupe. We'll throw some cilantro in there.
All right, nice. I'm smelling it all.
Gives it a little Caribbean flair. And I think one of the things we try to teach our students down at Stratford is that it's okay to go outside of the box a little bit, you know? Maybe do a cold sauce with a hot fish and show that temperature variation. And just give it a little heck there. Oh, look at that.
Cranking it up a little bit. Okay, blend it in there. A little bit of kosher salt was...
Just a pinch.
Take the sweetness off?
It'll help out with the sweetness, help to balance it out. A little bit of sweet's good, a little bit of acid's good with this fish because it's nice and fatty, and that gives us our texture and our
Is that long enough right there?
Oh, it's perfect. Yeah, that's done. And this is, look at what you can use this for. I mean, this is a soup, this is a sauce, this is a drink. You know, if you're into that, you know, it's 10 a.m., you know.
Put a straw in it, we're good to go?
Oh, absolutely. There you go.
Can you marinate stuff in this?
Oh, absolutely. Okay. Absolutely. And it gives it a good Caribbean flair as well. And, you know, it's summertime, so we try and do things that are a little cooler. I mean, who wants to sit out on, you know, summers in Maryland, nice and humid. Who wants a big old bowl of chili in the middle of the summer, you know? So maybe
you still have some of the heat with the food, but this is a little bit cooler.
Oh, absolutely. And you'll still get a hot dish with the sea bass here, but that'll cool it off and maybe give it a little bit of a temperature difference, a little palate cleansing, if you will, with some acid in there to help with the fatty fish. And
how long did you have the fish on?
Oh, just a couple of minutes. I did about 2 to 3 minutes on each side and a little bit of butter with some cilantro in there just to flavor the butter.
And then when I first came in here, I was like, what's with the pink stuff?
Yeah, it's just some pink salt, and it adds a little bit of color variation to the plate. It's Himalayan salt.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. The dish is done.
Two servings right there.
Yeah, it's a beautiful appetizer or an entree. You want to throw a little jasmine rice or something with that, it'd be perfect. You know?
Yeah, oh yeah, not bad at all. Chef, you make it look so easy right here. Whipping up some Chilean sea bass and making it summertime too. Spring, summer, like when we put the fruit in there. But combining them all makes it so easy.
Yeah.
Chef Eric Yeager, thank you so much. We appreciate your time.
Thank you
for
very
coming
much.
in. Stratford University, making it easy, Jonathan. Here we go, Chilean sea bass, summer style.